heading to Bukit Jalil Axiata Arena this morning to get my vaccination. It will be my first dose. I'm so ready to get injected. Despite having registered on My Sejahtera app a while ago, I haven't gotten my appointment set yet. So this is a walk-in attempt. I've arrived, so let's get prepared. First layer of mask, second layer of mask, and a face shield. Face shield on, hand sanitizer, and that's pretty much it. Let's go. So I just found out that the last day for walk-in at Bukit Jalil was yesterday. They don't accept walk-in anymore. So the only option for walk-in commencing 1st October closest to Bukit Jalil is the health clinic at Titi Wangsa. Since I took the day off, I'm not going to waste the day. I'm going to head there right now. It will take me another 30 minutes to go there. Let's go.
Dekat dalam sini. Parking depan sini.
Okay, thank you. I've arrived at KKM KL. Second round. Let's do this.
Pfizer lah, ataupun nama lain dia Comirnaty. Nanti dalam My Sejahtera dia akan keluar nama Comirnaty. 0.3 saja. 0.3. Tangan ni kena relax. Cucuk sikit ya. Tarik nafas sembus. Okey, masuk. Habis
Yep, okay. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Finally gotten my first dose of vaccination, Pfizer. So after the registration, I went to the second counter where a doctor will brief the benefits and the potential symptoms after the vaccination. Then I went to the room where the nurse will administer the injection. It is a 0.3 ml dose for Pfizer, and the process was short. After that, you meet a doctor just to clarify a few things, and then I was sent to the monitoring area to ensure that I'm fine after the vaccination, and after about 15 to 30 minutes, I'm done. The second dose will be administered 3 weeks from now. Thanks for watching. If you like what you have just watched, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!